to foreign domestic workers, or FDWs, who made money by obtaining loans for other workers, have been fined and barred from working here in Singapore.
The Manpower Ministry says FDWs who hold a second job are deemed to be working without a valid work pass. Vanessa Lim with more.
For more than a year, this moneylender at Waterloo Street was a cash cow for 2 foreign domestic workers. Between June 2017 and November last year, 39-year-old Jenalyn Masirag Gannaban and 50-year-old Obillo Arlene Manale earned money illegally by securing loans for other foreign domestic helpers in Singapore. Their illicit activities earned them between $100 and $400 per month. For their crimes, Jenalyn was fined $8,000, while Obillo was fined $5,000. Currently, there are laws to prevent pass holders from brokering or obtaining loans for others to earn money. Just 2 months ago, the Law Ministry introduced new money lending rules which covers this. It also lowered the loan caps for lower income foreigners. Now, this came in the wake of a spike in the number of foreigners taking loans from licensed moneylenders. But one expert says despite stiffer penalties, foreign domestic workers may still approach others in their group to obtain loans.
Well, for domestic workers, the first place to go is to other workers because they're their friends, they're their circle of acquaintances. Most workers borrow because of emergency situations. So the fact that you can't get the money from a legal moneylender means that you will then feel propelled towards an illegal moneylender.
Foreign domestic workers who flout the law can be fined up to $20,000 and or jailed for up to 2 years. Their work permits will be revoked and they will be barred from working in Singapore.